Hi, welcome to the Supervised Learning Linear Regression course in the ML track for Expert 5. My name is Charlie Arthur, and I'm the Director of Data Operations at Nielsen. I have 10 years of data science experience in industries such as CPG, telecom, internet advertising, and insurance. I built a machine learning software as a service startup. I got my MBA from Kernel, MS in data science from Northwestern, and a bachelor's in mathematics from UCSD. I want to go over the course and the objectives and what you're going to get out of this course. The topics here are going to start with an introduction to supervised learning and the machine learning ecosystem. We'll go on to develop some machine learning statistics so you can understand assumptions and how to test these models against each other. Then we'll dive into the least squares regression and cover ordinary and multiple least squares. We'll cover regularized methods using L1 and L2 regularization. We'll cover kernel methods such as support vector machines and Gaussian process regression. And then we'll end with a summary and go over some real-world applications where these methods could be used. Let's start with the prerequisites. I want you to have some programming knowledge, preferably in Python, and preferably have some exposure to the scikit-learn applications. Most of the examples are going to be done or written in Python, and most of the modeling will be done using scikit-learn. I want you to have some exposure to basic statistics, including descriptive statistics and distributions. Some exposure to linear algebra would be helpful to understand what's going on behind the scenes. Although since this is a high-level survey of the topics, we won't actually go into the mathematics behind them very deeply. And you also should have completed Course 1, the Machine Learning for Predictive Analytics course from Expert 5. The important thing is what you're going to get from this course. It's a high-level introduction to all of these, very practical and hands-on. But you will have a basic understanding of the statistical modeling and assumptions that go into each one. You'll be able to build and evaluate supervised linear models using least squares, regularized least squares, and non-parametric methods. And ultimately, you'll be able to select different models and fit those models on real-world applications such as housing costs, healthcare costs, etc. All the code that's used in this course will be available on the Bitbucket website below.